Today we're at the Home and Garden Show here in West Springfield talking to one of the hundreds of vendors. This is Vin Salemi from Salemi Appliances. Thanks for having us out, Vin.
Hey, I appreciate you coming.
I'd like to say I'm reminded of being in my own house, but these appliances are better than the ones I have. You've been in business now for how many years?
Since 1956.
So you know a thing or two about appliances, don't you?
I've seen one or two.
Your dad started the business.
Yes, he did.
You bought it in the 70s.
79.
So how many changes or differences have you seen over the years? I know once upon a time Harvest Gold was in. Now everything seems to be stainless steel.
Yeah, stainless is the hot commodity right now. But, you know, when I bought the business, we were selling $300 washing machines and $200 dishwashers. We still sell $200 dishwashers,
sure,
but now we sell $2,500 dishwashers.
The Cadillac of dishwashers. So take me through some of the top-end brands that you're going to be showing here at the Home and Garden Show.
So this bus is the Clark traveling showroom, and it has all Wolf and Sub-Zero and Cove dishwashers. That's the top. They've set the bar. Everybody else is trying to rise to it.
Right. I've heard of Wolf and Sub-Zero, but Cove, is that a new brand?
Sub-Zero just came out with Cove. It's a brand new top-of-the-line dishwasher line.
It is.
Right.
So some people go on the bus, and I'm glad you brought it up because that's the gorilla in the room. Why is there a massive bus behind us? They can kind of see a layout of what these appliances would look like in maybe their kitchen.
Absolutely. Absolutely. We're trying to show a sampling of everything that Sub-Zero and Wolf offer. And, you know, cooktops, ovens, microwaves, dishwasher, everything.
Well, I know you get what you pay for, but if somebody says, you know, why should I buy a Wolf or a Sub-Zero? What sets them apart? What makes them the best of the best?
The quality of the construction and the performance. The Wolf top burner, the burners on a Wolf range outperform anything else in the industry. Best control from high to low. The refrigerators are food preservation is their whole shtick.
It is.
Right.
You have a lot of experience helping people pick out the right appliances for them. Tell me about what you do when somebody comes into the store, comes into your booth. What knowledge can you impart on a potential customer?
Try to feel them out for what they're trying to accomplish.
Sure.
You know, where their desires are, from cooking to refrigeration to ventilation. Ventilation is key in a new kitchen. You want, you know, decent ventilation. And we just try to walk them through the process.
Exactly. I'm assuming you're a chef yourself. You are Italian. I know I love to cook. So what do you do at home with your, I guess, kitchen?
I know my way around the kitchen. I know how to cook. I make kind of a mess. So
any of the appliances take care of the mess or no?
Just a dishwasher.
Now, where are you located here in
Boston Road in Springfield.
And how long you been at that location?
Since 1972.
You're going to be here at the Home and Garden Show through Sunday?
Yes.
People can stop by, say hello, and also get a look at these great appliances.
I hope they do.
Vin, thanks so much. I appreciate it. When's dinner at your house?
5, 6.
All right, I'll be over. Thanks.
No problem.